Chapter 20 Time. We will learn ways to tell the time, clocks and watches, days, weeks, months and year, a calendar, history, study of past. Time is a period during which something is happening. Ways to tell the time. The position of the sun in the sky helps us in telling what time of the day it is. Day begins with the sunrise and ends with the sunset. A day is divided into three parts: morning, afternoon, evening. We know that it is morning when the sun rises. The sun rises in the east. We go to school in the morning. In the morning, our shadow is the longest. When the sun is high in the sky, it is noon or midday. At noon, our shadow is the shortest. Time after 12 noon is called afternoon. We come back from school in the afternoon. When it becomes dark, it is the night time. Night comes after evening when the sun sets completely. The sun cannot be seen anymore. We can see the moon and the stars at night. Night is the time to sleep. Fact file. Some animals tell us when a day begins. Cocks, crow and birds chirp when the sun rises. This is the way by which we can tell that a day has passed and the time is passing by too. Clocks and watches. To be able to tell the exact time, we use clocks and watches. A clock has two hands, one big and one small. There are 12 numbers written on the face of a clock. As time goes by, the hands on the clock move from one number to another number. The small hand tells us what hour it is. In a complete day, there are 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes. The minutes in the clock are shown by the big hand. Days, weeks, months and year. The time in school is divided into periods. Similarly, the day is also divided into hours. Each day has 24 hours. 7 days make a week. Every day of the week has a name. A month has 30 or 31 days. Every month has a name too. There are 28 or 29 days in the month of February. When 12 months have passed, we have complete 1 year. There are 365 or 366 days in a year. Year having 366 days is called a leap year. February has 29 days in a leap year. A calendar. A calendar is a series of pages which shows the number of days, weeks and months of a particular year. We can remember holidays and other important dates with the help of the calendar. Another way of knowing how much time has passed by is the calendar. History. Study of past. Past is all that had already happened before. The study of past is called history. This tells us how things were before, what happened before, and how things have changed now. Dates are given in history to tell us when something happened. Keyword: sunrise, when sun appears in the sky. Leap year, a year having 366 days. Points to recall. Day begins with the sunrise and ends with the sunset. To tell the exact time, we use clocks and watches. The minutes in the clock are shown by the big hand. 365 or 366 days make a year. 7 days make a week. 30 or 31 days make a month. Past is all that had already happened before.